Hello.
What happened to you?
I'll have you know I have a skin condition.
That's worse than a skin condition. That's not a skin condition.
Yes, it is. Google facial gonorrhea. You'll thank me later. Or not. Here. Educating the youth.
Ugh. Damn, that's hot.
Thank you, honey.
I like your weird face.
Thank you. I like your normal face.
Thank you. I don't get that a lot.
Hey, what's up, cunt?
Is that because of the face holes? Because this is herpes.
Oh my god.
I wouldn't laugh, because it looks like you've got it worse than me. Hey!
This is fucking.
Is this like a...
It's like a little app or something like that.
No.
Oh, what's your name?
Charlie. Hey.
Charlie. Oh, no.
Oh my god, his dick's name's
yeah,
Charlie.
that's my cock's name.
His dick's called Charlie. Is that because he's got a bloody head? Ew. Ew. Hello.
Hi.
You okay?
You look so cool.
Thank you. Aww. Bit of an itchy gash though. Yellow.
What?
Huh. What are you doing? See, this is the problem with this younger generation. You guys are stuck on your phone. You don't just look up, because if you use your eyes and just see what... Okay, that was my phone, but that doesn't change my point. Fuck. Hello.
Oh my god.
Hello.
Hey.
Ugly.
Do you know the mirror, love? Maybe get one. Take some time to reflect. Are you sitting on the toilet?
Hi. Oh.
Hello.
Wait. Hi. I think I know you. Wait, do you have a YouTube channel?
No.
No. I swear you do.
Oh, don't smile. Gross.
I'm
Lift
sorry.
High overboard.
My friend is
Ew, your hand's greasy.
so is your face. It's okay.
Then what's wrong with your nose, you uncleansed bit?
Oh.
You wanna know where else this greasy hand's gonna go? Right in your ass if you don't shut up. No, I do know him. I know him. It's like Pinkstylist or something.
Yeah, hello.
Oh my god, I love you! Oh my god, I love him. Oh my god.
Thank you.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hello. Does that make America great again? So you're a Trump supporter? So you don't have to talk, and I already know I've got more brains than you. Bloody hell, was that Charlie Brown? You've aged... well...
Oh god.
What the fuck?
Hello! I can't... well, I can kind of do that. There you go.
Oh shit. I fucking give up, dude.
Mm. No! That is not an appropriate use for Nemo! Oh no! Poor Nemo.
Oh my fucking god, what the hell? What the shit? Fuck, goddamn.
Such a lady. Oh god damn it! I'm not a well man. Oh god damn it! I just finished. Oh fuck's sake! Why? This is not cool. Oh. Yo. Bye.
Why? You look like my dad.
That would explain for your fucked up genetics.
Oh, lit. That's so lit.
I wasn't aware I was on fire, but Kay.
Oh, can't live. No!
What? Hey.
What happened to that side of your face?
I'll have you know the reason I look like this is because I took a load to the face.
A load like...
Mm-hmm. Got it in the eye, and now it's infected. Zombie STDs. Yep. It's no laughing matter.
Joker got scalped.
Yeah, it's a current trend. You hear all the kids are doing it nowadays. It's nice. Breezy. Although if I press certain parts of it, I can't remember math. Hello. What are we doing? I've genuinely never seen someone so buff that their pecs start here. Fascinating.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh.
Hey.
Hey. Look like you got a bit of a splitting headache over there.
It's a trend. You should try it. It's fun. Open up your mind. I love it so much. You're not a happy horse, are you? Pat the horse. Pat the horse. That does sound like a euphemism, though.
Oh, my haircut. Wait. Let him talk. Say something.
Hello.
Oh, hold up! Wait! I need to know. Okay, I'm pretty already sure you're Pinkstylist, but okay, what's up?
Which one of my face holes gave it away?
I'm gonna have to say the top one.
My favourite one. Your Dalmatian-y friend is amazing.
Oh, I know, right? This is fun.
It's not weird at all. Hey guys, I just wanted to let you know that you can now get Pinkstylist stickers on charlieshort.com. Yay!